Creating budgets for your categories helps you stay on track with your earning and spending. Let's take a look at how you can create a budget from the budget page. Head to Budget and Reports, Budget. Before we get started, did you know you can also let PocketSmith create your budgets for you? Using the Auto Budget tool, PocketSmith will figure out your budgets based on your average categorized earning and spending. For now, let's learn how you can set up your own budgets. Each of your categories will be displayed on the budget page. Before a category is budgeted, you'll see its average spending or earning amount displayed. This figure is based on the transactions already assigned to that category. To create a new budget, navigate to a category and click Start. The Start Budget window will open. From here you can set the specifics of your budget. Enter the amount you'd like to set. Under the Repeating section, choose a start date. Then, select a repeat period from the drop-down menu. Click More to show additional options. Under Type, choose Income or Expense. Under Scenario, select the account that you'd like this budget to be forecast against. Don't worry. After selecting an account here, any transaction assigned to this category, even if it occurs in a different account, will still contribute to the budget. Selecting an account here is purely for forecasting purposes. If you're setting a budget for a transfer category, you can choose the transfer's destination here. Once you're happy, click Save. This category will now display on the budget page as a budgeted category, and transactions assigned to it will be reflected in the progress bar. Head to our Learn Centre or check out our YouTube channel to learn more about using PocketSmith.